Welcome back to another episode of Jack's Tech Corner. I'm your host Jack, and this is a video tutorial of a little bit different nature from Photoshop Elements. This is going to be a video tutorial on how you should back up your data, not your applications now, just your actual data. And there's a very free way to do it. It is a little limited. You can actually, always buy more. That's what most of these companies want you to do. Try their free stuff out and kind of get hooked and then buy some more. What we're going to talk about today is a great application that I've been using. It's called Dropbox. And what Dropbox allows you to do is just that. Back up your actual working data and back that up online. And what makes Dropbox really unique, though, is Dropbox then allows you to access that same data from any of your computers. This is actually almost, I would say, a type of a replacement for the flash drive. The flash drive is going to be a thing that kind of came onto the scene, and it might go away faster than the CDs and DVD-ROMs actually did when we used to burn everything and back everything up on CDs. So we're going to have a look at Dropbox in this episode, and I'm going to show you how to install it. I'm going to show you how it works across many platforms. Right now, as you can see, I am on the Mac platform, but I'm going to show you on Windows 7 how it works, as well as how it works on Ubuntu Linux, and it works exactly the same way as you would expect it to. So to get Dropbox, I want you to go to my website, jackstechcorner.com. We're going to bring that up. jackstechcorner.com, and I want you to use the link at the very top I put up there. I made it very easy for you. I put it right at the top of the page. Click this link to sign up for Dropbox. When you do that, folks, you're actually helping to support the show. I'm not making any cash flow from Dropbox. This is not an advertisement at all. All it does is just tells another company that we're out there, and hopefully maybe we'll get a link back sooner or later from Dropbox, and we'll get more viewers here at Jack's Tech Corner. So that's important. When you do that, when you click that link, it's going to take you to this next page. You are free to watch the video, maybe learn a little bit more about Dropbox, but after watching this segment, you're going to know everything there is to know about it anyway. Give them your true first and your true last name. See, I always say that because some people never want to put like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, whoever, but put your true first and last name. I mean, they are letting you use their software for free, and give them a true email address and a password. This is going to be used to log into your account, so it's very important that they have that. Once you create that account, you're going to go out and you're going to actually go to their download page, and you're going to actually download this software. And I'm going to show you the install of the software here just very shortly. First, I wanted to show you on the Mac interface, though. When you do install it, you're going to have a little box up here in your menu bar. And if I click on that box, it's going to say Open Dropbox Folder. I click on that, and here it is. It opens in Finder just as you would expect it to. You can see here I have a bunch of different folders in here already. The green check marks are telling me they're all synced up. They're synced. I put new stuff in there, and it syncs. And I think I'll show you that right now. We're going to go in here and create a new folder. I was actually working on the web page here. So we'll create a new folder and call it Website. And what we're going to do here is I'll open up a new Finder window. And I'm going to go into my Documents and Website. This one here. And we're going to just copy that. I'll open up this folder. This is Dropbox folder on the internet, and we're going to paste that. There you see now the little spin circles there, the little arrows going around, that is syncing. If you have a lot of data, it's going to take a little bit more time to sync. Once you get the green checkbox, that means it's synced up. It's copied over and it's fine. It's good to go. Now that file is accessible from all of your computers. And it's very, very easy to set this up. So we're going to go here. Next, if you go to back to the Dropbox, you'll see here it's telling you I'm using 8.2% of my total 2 gigabytes of free storage. 8.2% of 2 gigabytes. Now, if you have a lot of pictures, I know we talk a lot about photography work here, or video, you're probably going to want the paid version of this. You know, you can actually get a paid version for about $10 a month and get yourself like 20 gigabytes, I think it is. We'll take a quick look at the pricing down here. Yeah, 50 gigabytes a month is $10 a month for 50 gigabytes, or 100 gigabytes is $10 a month. They call that Pro 100 and then Pro 50, or the 2 gigabytes a month is basic. You know, folks, and 2 gigabyte is a good bit of room. Think of a thumb drive, how much you can put on that thumb drive. Not basically to back up your pictures. I have some other ideas for backup for you for pictures. But this is nice for any documents you're working on, checkbook registry, money, if you're using Microsoft Money, or if you're using Quicken. It's a nice place to put that file just for safekeeping in case anything happens to your computer and it's secure. It's a secure folder out there. So that's the pricing of it. By all means, you can just use the 2 gigabyte for free there. I've been using that for a while, and you can see I still have a lot left, so I'm good to go. Alright, now that we understand the basics of Dropbox, and we understand we put that folder called website, let's go over to my Windows 7 machine. Let me get this out of the way. Here is Windows 7, and we're going to show you how to install Windows 7. So I downloaded Dropbox. Let's go to my downloads folder. It's right here, Dropbox. I'm going to double click it just like you would any install file, right? And we'll run it, install it. Now, once you install Dropbox, you'll notice that really you don't sign for an account on the website. I mean, you do if you go through my link, and that's because you're giving credit back to the show to say that I sent you over there. It says I don't have a Dropbox account, but if you already do, you set up your account, so click you have a Dropbox account, put your email address in there, your password, hopefully that's right, give it a name. This is not the MacBook, this will be, this just tells you what computer your files are coming from. Next. The free one, 2 gigabytes a month, that's what we're using. Dropbox folder, there you go. You can skip the tour unless you want to watch it. Add a shortcut to my desktop, that's what we want to do. And at that point, Dropbox is now installed. Now it's really interesting because you'll notice under your favorites now there's a folder for Dropbox. Right now, if you can see all these coming up here, if you can see those or not, I'll try to bring this up a little bit. If you can see these actual arrows turning around here, it's actually syncing. That's what these are doing. You see it's getting green check marks. It's syncing across the internet. It's pulling that from your internet storage back into your computer that you're currently using or just loaded this. And the documents are still pulling over here. Once we get that pulled over. Alright, should be pulling over here in a second. But you can see that is actually working out here. I'm going to zoom back out. Now the websites we worked on earlier, it's right here, and here it is. That's the one I sent over from my Mac. Here's the file right here, and we can right click on it. We can bring it up and work on it, do whatever we want to do. Close this. Dropbox also places itself on your desktop. Right here, same files. Now what we're going to do is we are going to actually minimize the Windows 7, and we're going to pull up our Linux machine. This is our Ubuntu Linux. Now I know I've been doing a few videos on Linux, and I'll probably be doing some more. It's a great free operating system. You know, free is the word there. Absolutely free. So if you have an old computer laying around, this is a great product. It's even a great product. I put this on brand new computers for people because it doesn't get viruses. It seems to be very, very, in my eyes, it's very secure. Some people tell you it's really not as secure as most, but anyway, that's Ubuntu, but I do have it running, and Dropbox is also written for Linux. So if I come up here to the toolbar, just like on the Mac, I can right click on that, close this back down here, and it opens up. And if we go under website, sure enough, there's the file again. So you can see how nice this is. And you can also, you know, we set this up on our work computers. Then that way, if I have a file that I'm working on at work, I just drop it into my Dropbox. When I get home, it's there. If I'm on the road, if I'm in a hotel, I know I can always get to that file. So that's where Dropbox comes in very, very handy. Just remember, folks, please, if you are going to sign up for a new Dropbox account, please stop by my website once again, jackstechcorner.com. It's always in my shows. You'll see the link for it under the notes there. And please sign up for the account there. Use this link for a free Dropbox account. I believe in it. I know you'll believe in it. And the company will see that, hey, Jack's Tech Corner is sending a bunch of people over here. That's really great. And they're all signed up for free accounts, but that's okay. He's introducing you. I want to introduce you to Dropbox because it's a great product. I believe in it. And when you start using it, you're going to truly believe in it also. So keep with us, folks. I'm sure we're going to give you a lot more of computer knowledge. I'm just coming out with a lot of different ideas in my head. Not just about Photoshop. I know I've been the Photoshop Elements guy for a long time, and I want to continue to do that. But sometimes, you know, you run out of certain topics to talk about a program, so I wanted to move into a little bit to the computers, to the Mac, to Windows, to Ubuntu Linux, and help everybody out there with their computers. So until next time, hey, keep those computers going. Back up your files. Get the Dropbox account today. Get them files backed up, and be on the road to, you know, a little peace of mind. Until next time, take care from Jack's Tech Corner. Bye for now.